Everybody, this is Vinu again on behalf of Sai Education for competitive examinations. So let's continue our lecture on age problems. Let's start with number 12. We left there. So A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. Let's get this enlarged. If the total ages of A, B and C be 27, then how old is B? Okay. So let B be equal to X years, and A therefore is 2 years older than B, so it's X plus 2. They've also said that B is twice the age of C, that is 2 times C. Therefore C will be equal to B divided by 2 or X by 2. So if we add all the ages B, A and C, it should be equal to 27. When you solve for X, it is 10. And what is X? X is the age of B, which is 10 years, and that is correct. Number 13 is similar to number 12, so you can try it on your own. Let's do number 14. The present age of a father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 years hence, that is 3 years later, father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Find the present age of the father. So let the present age of the son be equal to X years. Therefore, father's age is 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. So 3 plus 3 into X. Okay, be very careful. The question clearly says the father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. So 3 times X, which is the age of the son, plus 3 years is equal to father's present age. Now after 3 years, son will become X plus 3, correct? Father will become how much? What is the question saying? Will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. So 10 plus 2 times the age of the son after 3 years. So when you expand it, it will be 10 plus 2x plus 6. It will be 16 plus 2x, correct? So now father's age after 3 years can be written as 16 plus 2x, and it can also be written as 3 plus 3x plus 3x, right? This is the present age of the son, and age after 3 years will be this plus 3. So it can be written as 3 plus 3x plus 3 and 16 plus 2x. Both are equal. Both should be equal because both represent the father's age after 3 years. So when you solve for x, you will get x as 10, and father's present age would be 3 plus 3 times x, which is 3 plus 3 times 10, which is 33 years. Where are we? Yeah. Got it? Okay. Now 15, many of these questions are similar, so I'm only doing some of them. Let's do number 16. 5 years ago, grandfather's age was 13 times of his granddaughter's age. Now it is 7 times. Then present age of granddaughter is what? Okay, let's do it. Very simple. Let the granddaughter's present age GD be equal to X. Okay, right? Therefore, grandfather's age is 7 times X, 7x, because it is given that the present age of the grandfather is 7 times his granddaughter's age. Okay. 5 years ago, what would have been granddaughter's age? Simply X minus 5, right? What would have been grandfather's age as per the question? It says grandfather's age 5 years ago was 13 times his granddaughter's age. That means it was 13 into X minus 5, which is the age of the granddaughter 5 years back, which is 13x minus 65 when you open the brackets and expand. So grandfather's age 5 years back can be written as 13x minus 65, right? Based on this, it can also be written as 7x minus 5. That is present age of the grandfather minus 5 years. That is his age 5 years back. So when you solve for x, you will get 10 years. Okay. So this is how we solve these problems. You first write down the mathematical problem based on what the question has given, and then use simple understanding that grandfather's age can be written in 2 ways: present age minus 5, and also what is given in the question, that is it was grandfather's age 5 years ago is also 13 times the granddaughter's age 5 years ago, and then solve for x to get the granddaughter's current age, which is what was required. We got 10 years and the answer is also 10 years. Number 17 is very similar, so I'll leave it for you to do. Number 18. Ramya's age is 3 times of Dhanya's age. After 10 years, Ramya's age will be twice as Dhanya's age. Then the present age of Ramya is what? Okay. Let Dhanya's present age be x. Therefore, Ramya's age is 3 times Dhanya's age, which is nothing but 3x. Correct? Okay. After 10 years, what is Dhanya's age? X plus 10. What is Ramya's age? It will be 3x plus 10 also. But the question has also given one more description, that after 10 years, Ramya's age will be twice as Dhanya's age. So, Ramya's age after 10 years is 2 times Dhanya's age after 10 years, which is x plus 10. Correct? So, Ramya's age after 10 years is first 3x plus 10, that is present age plus 10, and 2 times Dhanya's age after 10 years. So, after 10 years, Ramya's age becomes 2 times Dhanya's age after 10 years. It can also be written as Ramya's present age, which is 3x plus 10 years, right? Age after 10 years. So 3x plus 10 equals 2 brackets x plus 10. When you expand the brackets and solve for x, you will get x as 10 years, which is Dhanya's age. Therefore, Ramya's present age is 3x, which will be 30 years. So let's check. Yes, the answer is 30. I hope you are following us. Now let's do number 19. I hope 18 is clear. 3 years ago, father's age was 4 times of his son's age. Okay, read the question carefully. After 2 years, it will be 3 times of his son's age. Then what is the present age of his son? Okay, so let's take a look. Right. Let the present age of the son be x. Therefore, 3 years ago, what would have been the son's age? It would be x minus 3, correct? 3 years ago, the son's age was x minus 3. As per the question, the father's age 3 years ago was 4 times the son's age. So when they say father's age was 4 times the son's age, 3 years ago, father's age was 4 times the son's age. It means 3 years ago, father's age was 4 times the son's age 3 years ago. So 4 into x minus 3, that is 4x minus 12. This doesn't mean that it was 4 times the son's age. It doesn't mean it is 4x. When they say 3 years ago, the father's age was 4 times the son's age, it doesn't mean it is 4 times the present age of the son. It means 4x minus 3. That is, when you expand the brackets, it is 4x minus 12. 2 years from now, what will the son's age be? It is 2 years from now, or 2 years later from now, or 2 years later. It will be x, current age, plus 2. And what they are saying, the question says father's age will be 3 times the son's age. So what is the son's age 2 years from now? X plus 2. So 3 into brackets x plus 2 is 3x plus 6 after opening the brackets. Okay. Now, 2 years from now, the father's age, we have got it as 3x plus 6. Father's age 2 years from now can also be written based on his age 3 years ago. How can we write that? It will be 4x minus 12 plus 5. How did I get 5? This was father's age 3 years ago. So based on this, what is father's age now? It would be 4x minus 12 plus 3. Correct? Therefore, what is father's age 2 years from now? It will be 4x minus 12, that is age 3 years ago, plus 3, that is father's present age, plus 2. So that's how we get 4x minus 12 plus 5 equals 3x plus 6. When you solve, you'll get x is equal to 13 years, which is the son's current age. Got it? Now, I hope this is clear. You have to read the question carefully. 20 and 21 are very similar to what we did, so I'm not doing it. You can do it by yourself. Let's do number 22, which is the last question. Raman's age is 2 years less than twice of Krishnan's age. Raman's age is 16. What is Krishnan's age? Okay, so let us assume that Krishnan's age is X. So as per the question, Raman's age is 2 years less than twice of Krishnan's age. So that would mean it is 2x minus 2 is Raman's age. Then the question also says that Raman's age is equal to 16 years. That means 2x minus 2 is equal to 16. When you solve for x, you will get x as 9, which is Krishnan's age. And that is the correct answer. They have not shown the last step. They have just shown 2x is equal to 18, therefore x is equal to 9. They have not shown that last step, but the answer is 9. So that brings us to the end of this topic on problems related to age. Remember, they are very simple, but please read the question carefully. Keep practicing. That's the only way you will become comfortable. We'll start a new topic next class. Until then, all the best. Take care.